talked about dollar index. Talked about dollar index trading lower to likely probably take out this low and run into the other block on daily time frame. Yeah, we talked about that on daily time frame. So yeah, so the market did not actually go to that direction. So the market actually went down. It went down. Yeah, I think it went down. Let me go to 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, the market went down because I told you guys that I want to, because when we were on the live class, the market was somewhere around this region. I told you guys I want the market to reject somewhere around there and continue trading lower. Wanted to reject at this particular zone and continue trading lower, and exactly that was what the market did. The market rejected it beautifully. So I told you guys that I'm expecting the market to come down to take out this liquidity here, then run into this other block before I could possibly expect bullish run. So yeah, the market was trading lower, then got to this particular other block here. Yeah, there was a kind of a purge of stop losses around here. So not like they took it out completely, just purged the stop losses, and the market came back to respect the other block around here and rallied higher. So yeah, so why this high was broken? Why this high was broken? I also updated you guys. There have been a possible break of structure to the upside. So yeah, there have been a possible break of structure to the upside. So what am I expecting what am I expecting on dollar index this morning? So you see, we broke structure here, we broke structure here, we broke structure here. Just in a single day, we had three structures broken to the upside now. So we have a void here now. We have left a void here now. We have a void here. So now I was anticipating to see if price could possibly drop lower to fill up this void, then run into this mitigation block and pick up more buy entry to continue going to the upside, because we have unfinished business to the upside. If you watch the previous videos, I've told you guys that our higher time frame direction on dollar index is still bullish. I even said it on Monday. We are looking at price coming back to fill up this on weekly time frame. So we are looking at price coming back to fill up this on weekly time frame before we start talking about price selling for the remaining part of the year. So that's basically what we are looking out for on dollar index. So here this morning, so I'm expecting to see if there is a scenario whereby the market can come down, take out all these liquidities here, then trade lower, then run into this imbalance, then run into 1 hour order block and get rejected and continue trading higher. So that's basically what I'm looking out for on dollar index. So I'm looking to see if market can come down lower. So if it does not come down lower, then probably tomorrow we look at how the market will likely react. So basically for now the market is still consolidating. So but I'm anticipating to see if it can come down lower to take out liquidities resting here, then fill up this void, then gets rejected around this region here, this 1 hour order block. So let's look at GBPUSD and Euro USD. So let's start with Euro USD. So now the same thing here on Euro USD. I told you guys yesterday that I'm anticipating the market to see if the market could come back to take out this drawn liquidity here. See, the market created a high here, another high here. Then I think, yeah, we have a high here and a high here. This was the one I highlighted yesterday. Then I think during the course of the morning shower, this high was already set already, because we already had three highs. So these three highs. So I told you guys I'm expecting this market to come back up to take out those highs. Then I will possibly anticipate a move to the downside. That was what I told you guys. Then why the market was here, I told you guys I'll be looking for opportunity to buy somewhere around this region. I'll be looking for opportunity to buy somewhere around this region to go higher to take out the high. So yeah, the market came back to region. I took a long entry. The market went about 20 pips. Went about 20 pips on profit. I took out my own. Yeah, you guys, if you guys are always being consistent online, I always tell you guys, once market gets to your target 20 pips, you are free to take out 80% of your profit and allow the rest to run. So I already took out 80% of my profit before the market got rejected and started trading lower. So what am I expecting today? So you see, if you notice very well, you notice that the Asian high failed to be taken out by the London high. So thereby giving us a kind of a lower high here. So we have a higher high, we have a lower high, then we have a further break of structure here now. So and we have imbalances around this region now, which has not been filled. So basically what am I expecting here now? So I'm expecting to see if this market can retrace back to this around 1.16350 to 400. to see if I can get a possible short entry around that region. So that's basically what I'm looking out for on Euro USD. I'm expecting the market to come back higher to somewhere around this region for me to be able to sell. So that is where I'll be looking for sell opportunity to trade the market lower to somewhere around 1.15500. So this is basically what I'm looking out for on Euro USD. So I'm looking for a sell entry. That is, I'm expecting the market to buy to sell. So I'm expecting the market to buy, come back to somewhere around there, then give me a sell. So I'm not interested in this buy. I'm not interested in this buy. My interest is for when to see if the market can come back here during New York section. Then I engage on a short position. So that's my basic interest on this. So let's look at GU. So here on GU, we're already running on profit. So those who were who were earlier on the section must have picked up this entry. So before we talk about that, so let's look at what happened yesterday. So yesterday, I told you guys that I was expecting the market to take out this low, neatly, so that I can be able to pick up buy entry. So the market just purged it on, I think, on 5 minutes time frame. Yeah, I think, can I be able to get that? Yes, the market just purged it. So I was anticipating the market to come back to this other block here for me to take a long entry. So the market made away with me. So I told you guys that if there can be a healthy retracement around this region, I will look for opportunity to buy. So yeah, I was only able to engage on EU. I did not engage on this. So, and you see what the market later did, went to further to break that low, then came back to give a nice entry for sell opportunity. So what actually transpired here? So we have a high that was set, market created a higher low, then took out that high, came back to break market structure, then came back to retrace to give a sell entry. So how am I looking to engage this market today? Now automatically, for me to be looking for since dollar index has broken up to the upside, so definitely we are looking to do what? We are looking to sell GBP USD also. So now here now, what was the reason to this sell entry this morning? So we have this I have a high here which I need market to be broken. So I have another block here which have not been retested. So basically I anticipated the market to run into the other block here, get rejected, take out this high. So buy side liquidity has been clear. So I'm looking at the market coming back to take out sell side liquidity, take out this also, and take out this. So those who were very early on the section saw where I was doing this analysis. So that's basically what I'm looking out for GBP USD, and I think currently we are running on $10 pips profit already. We are running on 10 pips profit already. So those who were early on the section can start taking partials and probably know how to manage the trade. So that's basically what I have for you guys this morning. So if you have any questions, kindly unmute yourself and ask. I won't be looking into indices today. I have somewhere to catch up with. Any question? Hope you guys can hear me.
Yes, we can hear you.
So I
I
guess
don't have a question.
so I guess there's no question then.